Now, Max Defender 8, the world's most powerful radar, and your Storm Team 8 forecast with Chief Meteorologist Steve Jervey.
Well, we talked about some of the wind gusts to expect here with the approaching storm. This is Saturday at 9:30 in the morning. You can see the wind influence on the northern side of Irma. We're talking about mile-per-hour gusts. These are gusts, not sustained winds, but that can mean we can see some strong winds throughout this period. That's Sunday at 4:30 in the morning as the storm moves to the north. You can follow the streamlines here as we go throughout the afternoon. We could see some stronger gusts, especially inland on the north side of where the eye of the system would be. And, of course, it all depends on where that forecast track is located. Monday at 2:30, we're talking about wind gusts potentially well over 70 miles per hour into the hurricane force range, and it's not impossible we could see potentially one in triple digits later on Monday afternoon. But you can see the onshore flow. That's why we're talking about high tides and coastal concerns as we get into Monday. There's a look at the storm itself. As you can see, moving west at 12 miles per hour. Very impressive, 155 miles per hour, and moving to the northwest, and impressive in a scientific way. We don't obviously want this storm anywhere near us, but the folks in Cuba are dealing with this now. The stronger winds coming around on the western side and moving offshore on the eastern side of it. So it's a formidable storm. As we look at the visible satellite imagery, we're losing the light of the day, but you wanted to see that you get the light of the effect and the stadium effect within the eye itself. So it's a very significant storm and very well formed despite that land interaction across the northern part of Cuba. To again go over the track here, Category 4, Category 5, potentially at landfall in some of the middle keys. Moving to the north end, that's Sunday at 2 p.m., possibly as a strong Category 4 storm, but weakening significantly on this trip across the central part of the state. That'll take about a day. So Sunday is going to be a very windy day into the evening and the early part of Monday as well, where it definitely ends up into 2 p.m. on Monday. You can see in the afternoon at this location, possibly as a tropical storm. So it's this travel point between this spot and this spot would be across the Bay Area, east of which would be the stronger winds. On the western side, of course, we'd still have very strong winds and possible some water effects as we were talking about. Forecast models definitely shifted here today. As you can see, out 3 to 5 days, or what we're talking about 3 days now for the yellow lines, and that's that trend pushing back to the west is what we've seen. Hurricane watches or warnings are certainly in place for the area, and that includes all of the Bay Area. These are storm surge warnings in place for Sarasota County. Storm surge watch for some of the northern spots. We're talking up to 6 feet. Sarasota County points south of that. As we look at the rainfall forecast as well, you can see building in quite a bit of shower activity here. Again, this is just a computer model forecast, but perhaps up to 10 inches of rain seems kind of on the high end, but maybe 8 inches of rain isn't hard to believe with this system. Now, the windfall forecast here is interesting because you can see as the purple indicates the major wind category of 111 mile per hour plus, and you can see as that moves up to the north, we can see the yellow areas, tropical storm force wind gusts Sunday at 4 p.m. dragging across most of the area, but hurricane force winds on the northern side of the eye itself as it moves to the north. And that's Monday at 1 o'clock in the morning with the potential center here right in this area, possibly a little bit west of that. But obviously that's why we talk for wind effects. Polk and Highlands County, Hardy, DeSoto, probably the stronger. This would be the weaker side of the storm, but still some very strong winds, especially if that storm or that center could shift, and it can. That's what you have to be very aware of. Then by Monday at 7 p.m., everything comes on shore, and then you got coastal concerns with the flooding that we talked about. There is some local weather today, and Storm Teammates Julie Phillips is bringing more with that. Julie?
Thanks, Steve. We are tracking again today, really a typical summertime day for us. You can see outside at Connerton and Land O'Lakes, 78 degrees due to some recent rain that rolled by. Only picked up 1/100th of an inch of rain, though. Out in Apollo Beach, 80 degrees, picked up 1/10 of an inch of rain at this location. So I want to take you through our RPM forecast. Now, as we head through tonight into tomorrow morning is going to be mostly dry, but you're going to notice tomorrow will already be breezy, and then our scattered afternoon showers and storms pick up, and then it's as we head into Sunday where we start to feel the effects of Hurricane Irma as that hurricane moves through the north. So as far as rain chances go, tomorrow a typical summer day, and of course it's Sunday and Monday we're narrowing in on for the effects of Irma, and then we dry out as we head into next week. Guys?
Steve, one of the things I'm thinking is we just have to assume we're going to be in the heart of this thing.
Right.
At this point, just don't hope for a last-minute turn. It gets more accurate the
There's
closer
always
we get.
hope.
I agree.
But there's reality.
Well, you can hope, but you need to
it, yeah.
prepare.
But, you know, we're talking about 300 miles across here. I mean, we're going to feel large effects from this one way or the other, whether you're on the coast with water, but especially wind, I think, and especially some of the inland counties. But that doesn't mean everybody else won't see wind gusts that could be well over 70 miles per hour.
And wind knocks out power.
Wind knocks out power because it knocks down trees into the power
and the
lines.
power lines. And
yeah, so this is an issue. We have to deal with power outages as well, especially in those inland areas. And, of course, we've seen in 2004 all the blue roofs from the damage from the
all
roofs.
the tarps, yeah.
Right,
Tarp
so
City.
we have to prepare ourselves for this.
All right,
Yep.
thank you, Steve. And we're going to be right back with sports.